Welcome to another Meta Business Suite tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to shade your content using the Meta Business Suite. If you don't know about the Meta Business Suite, it's the platform that allows you to manage your Facebook page and your Instagram page, both using one app. You can even use it on your mobile. So mobile app, you can access it by going to business.facebook.com. In the last video, we looked at how to customize your Facebook page, and I give you a quick brief of how you can use the Meta Business Suite to manage your messages, to reply to comments from both Instagram and Facebook using the same app. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to shade your content using the Meta Business Suite. Let's jump right in. But before we jump in, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification button. That way, when I release a new video, you will be notified. And don't forget to leave your questions in the comments section. And by the way, before you get started, if you want to grow your page a little bit more, you might want to consider joining a few groups in your industry to see what people like. For example, there's a group here that says welding and design innovations, and since I'm in welding industry, I can simply join this group, and if or when I am accepted to participate in the group, I can be able to view these posts and also share my own content right here. Depending on the group that you join, you might find that very helpful. Anyway, so back to the content planner. So back to this page right here. You notice there's the content planner right here. If you want to access it, if you can't see it here, it might be closed. If you can't see it, you can simply click on Meta Business Suite and you look for the content planner. You can also go to business.facebook.com to access the Meta Business Suite. Alright, so a few tips here. For example, the business feed. The business feed is where you're going to see other pages, where you're going to see their content, because there's a personal feed, and then there's the business feed. So the personal feed is like your usual feed that you're going to be seeing from friends and family. So the business feed is specifically for businesses. They're going to be scrolling through, seeing mostly pages related to your industry, all the pages that you choose to follow. That's the content you'll be seeing in your business feed right here. So you can access the business feed by clicking on these three buttons, the more tools button. But you can also access other things like the ads manager, like the billing, to add your card, the one that's going to be used in your Facebook Meta ads. Okay, so let's get to what has brought us here today, which is the content planner. So it's simply called the planner right here in Meta Business Suite. And I think I gave you a quick look at the Meta Business Suite content planner in one of the first videos that we looked at, where I also showed you how to create a Facebook page if you are completely a beginner in this online marketing stuff. Anyway, so to use the content planner, you simply choose between weekly or monthly, and then you can be able to go to, for example, let's say tomorrow, I want to schedule a post for tomorrow. So simply click on schedule post or schedule a story. You can even schedule Facebook stories. So you click on schedule a post. In fact, for me, I'm not going to schedule this post for tomorrow. I'm going to schedule it right now so you can see it in action. I'm going to schedule it for today, just in a few minutes from now. So I'm going to click cancel right here and first close this, go back to today. So as you can see, I think I just made a few posts a few hours back. So I'm going to click on this plus icon to schedule another post for today. Alright, so if you remember, we talked about the business suite as the platform that helps you connect Facebook and Instagram and use it to post on both platforms using one app. So if you have your Instagram page connected right here, you'll be able to use the cross-platform benefits. You can be able to see messages from Instagram via the business suite using the, let me first close this a bit, using this button right here, the inbox. Okay, you can be able to reply to messages from Instagram using this app. That is if you have your Facebook page connected to your Instagram page. To connect your Facebook to Instagram, or to connect your Instagram to your Facebook page, you'll need to go to page settings and look for where it says Instagram. Click on that and connect your Instagram account. So to connect your Instagram account, you will need to have logged in already, or you can log in using your Facebook account. That is if you use the same details or the same credentials while creating the Instagram account. Now for me, I don't even have an Instagram account for this page or for this business right now, so we are going to skip that step for now. I'm just going to show you how to schedule the post on Facebook alone. You can look at connecting Instagram in another video. So I'm going to start by pasting text or typing in whatever you want, your message. And next, I'm going to choose a photo. You can choose a photo or a video, whatever you prefer. You can also create a video using Facebook's AI tool. Now, Facebook's AI tool is going to ask you for a few images that they are going to use to create for you a video. But I don't actually want to use the Facebook's AI tool. I just want to upload a few photos that I already have on my machine. Okay, select your photos and click on open. So I think it happens that I have a photo, I have two photos and a video. Let's let that first upload, and as soon as it has finished uploading, you can simply click on the publish button, or you can schedule it as I'm going to show you. Let's wait for it to upload. Right here is where you're going to customize, right here in the middle. So you're going to customize between Instagram and Facebook. Because if you already know on Instagram, you can't just put a link in this content and expect it to work. But on Facebook, you can just add a link here, like the website link, and it will work. But this won't work on Instagram. So here is where you choose what goes on Instagram and what goes only on Facebook. And down here is where you're going to add a call to action button. For example, if the button is going to be saying get more messages. Okay, let me just remove that. And if you have an NGO, you can simply add a button to get more, to do fundraising, raise money for your non-profit organization for free. Alright, as these videos or photos finish uploading, you can schedule this post right here by clicking schedule this post by clicking on this button, this arrow, down pointing arrow. You can also save the post as a draft, but I want to schedule it right now. So it's just a few minutes to 10. So I'm going to set this post to post at exactly 10 p.m. The time frame, as they want me to schedule the post at least 20 minutes. Let's try 15 and see. 15 won't work too. At least 20 minutes from now. That's what they want me to schedule the post for. Okay, no problem. So within 20 minutes from now, your post, if you click on schedule post right now, it's going to automatically post even when you are offline. So you can do that and go for your holidays, go for your vacation, and leave the posts to do, and leave Facebook to do the work for you. Alright, so that's how you post, that's how you schedule content using the content planner in the Meta Business Suite. And I hope the video was helpful. Alright people, I hope that was a very interesting video. as interesting to you as it was to me while I was making it. Anyway, and I hope it helps you to get started with scheduling your content so that you can concentrate on creating content, and Facebook will help you do the posting. Hope to see you in the next video. Make sure to hit the like button, give the video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recognize it and send it to other people that might need it. And also subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Share the video with your friends on social media, and I hope to see you in the next one.